Jeff Sessions is on the line. What? Hello?
Well, aren't you precious with your little radio show and whatnot?
Mr. Sessions, how can I help you?
Well, bless your little heart. How can I help? He asks.
So how are you getting along with the President Trump lately?
Oh, Jim Dandy, Andy. I think Donald Trump will get better as he goes along. He's like a bottle of expensive wine. You never want to open because you're afraid of what's in it. But more important, why is Amy Schumer in the news again?
I think she's demanding higher pay from Netflix.
Here's my take on that. Her skirt is so short you can see Christmas. Decent Americans don't need to get all flummoxed looking cattywampus at her cattywomp and whatnot. It ain't natural. Follow me?
Is that why you called?
I like the way you cut through the chafe, son. I called to tell you and you Yankee sons of bitches that I'm not the Jeff Sessions my detractors have tried to create. I'm not insensitive to the blacks and their sort.
I'm sorry. Can we stop for a second? Are you eating something?
How so?
Well, you always sound like you're gnawing on something, that's all.
I'm chewing on my cud, son.
Oh, God.
I'm able to do that because I have two stomachs. It allows me to sound thoughtful while slowly drawling something terribly offensive. It's a rhetorical technique that leaves citified slickers like you flummoxed.
Can you give me some examples of that technique?
Oh, sure. For instance, I'm all for the blacks voting, just as long as they don't break the law by voting.
Wow, you're right. I'm fixated so much on your weird mouth noises that I didn't realize what you're saying until it's too late.
Yep, that's cut tune at its finest. Ask me how I feel about the KKK.
Okay, how do you feel about the KKK?
I thought they were okay until I heard they smoked marijuana.
Wow, you're right. The way you chew on the word smoked marijuana is so creepy.
That's mighty kindly of you, thanks. As you well know, I'm all for the don't ask, don't tell marijuana laws. Where you can smoke pot in the privacy of your plantation, but you can't get married if you do. Jimmy, the war on drugs is an honorable war and a monument to the historical legacy of Jefferson Davis, my namesake.
What other Confederate leaders were you named after?
My full name is Jefferson Beauregard Bullshit Mushmouth Sessions. General Bullshit Mushmouth was a Confederate mastermind behind the Battle of Where the Hell Are We? We once spent 34 hours trying to send the same command because nobody could figure out what he was saying. The rest is history.
The rest is what?
History. Look, I don't want people to get the wrong impression. I'm not a racist. I'm just a white man that dislikes colored people. Apples and oranges. And just because we need them to pick our apples and oranges, it don't mean they have a right to eat our fruit cups. You know, if you'll kindly excuse me, I'm late for my afternoon whipping, where I received glorious punishment for my sins. The South will rise again at 4 o'clock. Goober peas to you.